guys, my name is Simi Talsania and I am back at the IDALS with my second choreography, which is on Uff Teri Adaa. This choreography is intermediate and again it's divided into 3 sections for you all to get it completely right. So without wasting too much time, let's get started. Hi everybody, so welcome to the section 1 of the choreography. As you all know, the choreography is on Uff Teri Adaa. And the song itself, like the line, the name of the song is just oof. So there's a lot of, this choreography especially is a little faster than the previous one, and also very interesting in terms of like how you feel, how you want to project what you feel. So this is more of a fun yet strong choreography. So without wasting too much time, let's get onto it. Okay, so the first part of the choreography is facing backwards. So we are starting facing backwards. So yeah, this is where we start. So the section actually begins with the music piece, okay, which is, you must have heard, the music is we start from there, okay, but there's a little music ahead of that and you can keep it according to how you want to start. Like how I would suggest is, before that he is singing, okay, he's singing, I can't sing, I'm sorry, but there's a chunk, there's a way he sings, and then ta, and one. So just a suggestion, it's still open to you, but a suggestion is you can start with your right hip going out and left following. So right and left. Okay, this is optional, guys. Alright, absolutely optional. So 1, 2, and then now what happens? Now your head goes towards your right shoulder. So you strike, and when you strike, you also sorry, I'll continue. So you strike and then you just take a circle with your shoulder, okay? So this is together, and strike and shoulder. So you're striking and the rolling of the shoulder happens together again, okay? Okay. Now this is 1 and 2. Oh, one more thing. We are also adding our feet. I forgot. So 1 is out, 2 is now your left and your head goes up diagonally. 2 and then 3 is when you join your feet as well and you go right diagonal. 3, but there's a little escalation. You're going on your toes in 3, and 4th is towards the left side. 4th, but your feet, it's just facing outside like that. Okay? So the 4th is na na. In the background there is 1, 2. So your shoulder, your left shoulder just does 1 and 2. Okay? Breaking it down again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple, simple. Okay, repeating once more and then moving forward. 5, 6, 7. I forgot to strike the leg out the last time, so we'll do it here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? Now moving forward, you do na na. Fun fact, guys. This whole chunk, okay, your eyes are shut. You're keeping your eyes shut. ठीक है? So na 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 na.